Hello children, good morning again. In this video, we will do question of quarterly drawing. This question is A, B and C are partners in a firm. Calculate interest on drawing at the rate of 12% per annum on the following drawing for the year ended on 31st March 2017. Then drawing are A. Withdrew rupees 3000 at the beginning of the each quarter. B withdrew 4000 of the beginning middle in the mid of each quarter, and C withdrew at the end of the each quarter. Then we can see that 3000 every quarter. It means amount are same, drawing are same, and gap are same. Consecutive gap are same quarterly. Okay, there are 4 quarters in a year. How many quarters? 4 quarters. Then first of all we calculate of A's interest is equal to total drawing is equals to A की withdrawing 3000, then 3000 into 4 is equal to 12,000. Okay, then formula interest on drawing is equal to total drawing into rate upon 100 into average period upon 12. This is the formula. Clear? Then total drawing is of A is equal to 12,000. Then applying formula 12,000 into rate of interest 12% per annum, then 12 upon 100. Average period. What is the average period? When withdrawing the beginning of each quarter, we take average period is equal to 7.5 months. 7.5 upon 12. Is that clear? Then we will calculate is equal to 12 5s 60 and 900. The interest is rupees 900. This is the answer. Then same method of B. Total drawing 4000 at the mid of every quarter. Then total drawing is equal to 4000 into 4 because 4 quarters, then 16,000. Formula applying 16,000 total drawing into rate of interest 12 upon 100 and average period. What is the average period? When the mid of quarter, then we will average period is equals to 6 upon 12. Calculation start. $960 interest answer. Same method than C. Again total drawing is equals to 2500 at the end of each quarter. Then 2500 into 4 is equals to 10,000 is equals to total drawing. Formula applying 10,000 into rate of interest 12 upon 100 into average period. When the drawing made end of each quarter, we will take the average period is equal to 4.5 upon 12. Point remove, then 0. is equal to 450 answer. This is the interest on drawing calculation, which is quarterly drawing and amount are same and timing are same. That is the question complete. Okay. We had learnt in my previous video the question of monthly drawing. When we take 12 months. How many months? 12 months. Okay. Then when we take 6 months and 9 months. It means when drawing are made for every month with same amount till 12 months, when drawing are made with same amount every month for 6 months and same amount with every month for 9 months, then calculations formula are same, only differentiate of average period. Only difference are average period, which we discuss in earlier previous video on yesterday. Okay, there are no difference, only difference of average period, I told you about the average period in my topic of interest on drawing, and I will make you note down in your register. Then no need of practical question. Okay, thank you.